Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the easiest dessert that you will ever try. It's absolutely perfect for Thanksgiving because it only takes a few minutes to make. It's only 4 ingredients as the title of this video suggests, and that is my easy apple tart. We're using store-bought puff pastry, so you don't have to do any extra work. Let me show you how I make this easy apple tart. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Like this video, it will really help with the YouTube algorithm and then pushing my video out there for other people to watch. And now let's get cooking. So let's begin with the ingredients as always. I have puff pastry here. You may remember from the last video I used one of these puff pastry sheets for my chicken pot pie. I will link that up here somewhere. And I'm using the other sheet today. I have 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 lemon, 3 apples that I'm going to core and slice thinly, and then just a pinch of salt. But these are the 4 main ingredients that we want to focus on. So guys, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And while that heats up, I have already halved my apples and cored them out to remove all of the seeds, and then you just want to cut them all into very thin slices, just like I'm doing here. So here I'm just showing you how thinly I've sliced the apples, and this is exactly what you want. So once you have sliced all of your apples just like this in half moons, you want to take your lemon. I only need half a lemon, and I'm just going to squeeze the juice out of this. This will ensure that the apples don't get brown, so that won't happen with the lemon. And you also want to add in your 1 cup of brown sugar. And that's all there is to this apple mixture, guys. And now you just want to toss everything up, making sure the apples are nicely coated with the lemon juice and also the brown sugar. To just mix everything really, really well. So my puff pastry has been thawing out just on the counter for about 40 minutes. That's what the package says. And then we're not even going to roll this out. You just want to take a knife. This is your puff pastry size. You just want to cut this in half. I guess lengthwise, not the other way around. So you're going to have 2 rectangles just like this. And then just take your rectangles and put it on a baking tray like this. I have already greased this baking tray. And you just want to put this on. You can even put down a wax paper, just like that. And then I have my apples here with the lemon juice and the brown sugar. So you just want to take slices like this and just put it right in the middle, like that. And what you want to do is overlap your apple slices like I'm doing here. Don't worry if some of the apple pieces have like broken. So you just want to do that. At the end, it's all going to look absolutely perfect. And once we bake these, you'll notice that the puff pastry is going to rise from the side and kind of tuck the apples inside it, and it's going to look so perfect. So just like that, I'm going to do this one as well. So you can see I have layered all of the apples and overlapped them on my pastry. And this definitely does not have to be perfectly lined up. It's a very rustic kind of dessert. And now we're just going to put these in the oven. And these will bake at 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, but I'm going to keep an eye out on them. So that is my tart, you guys. Look how perfect these look. The puff pastry rised from the sides and kind of just tucked the apples inside it. And these look so beautiful. So what I did is I baked these for 25 minutes. The first 20 minutes they baked at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the last 5 minutes I turned the temperature up to 425. So just for the last 5 minutes they baked at 425 degrees, and then after that you just want to take these out of the oven and just let these sit for a few minutes so they can cool down a little bit. And you just want to lightly dust all of your apple tart, and these will make it look so professionally done, and really there was nothing much to it. So that is it, guys. How easy was that recipe? I hope you try it in your kitchen, especially for Thanksgiving. It's just perfect. So it's taste test time, guys. Look at this apple tart. I just cut a little piece for myself. How beautiful is that? It's very, very rustic and so easy to make. So let's test this out. This is going to be so great with some homemade whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. Just perfect combination. It's so light and airy from the puff pastry, and then you get that sweetness and tanginess from the apples. It's so perfect. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed today's very, very easy recipe and you try it in your kitchen. Do subscribe before you leave, like this video, and don't forget to comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.